Are you facing the frustrating H10 error on Heroku while your React app runs perfectly on your local machine? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and get your app up and running on Heroku. I completely understand how disheartening it can be when your app works flawlessly on your local setup, but crashes when deployed. It feels like a cruel joke, right? But don't worry, we will figure this out together. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently reported that their React app runs fine after using npm start on Windows, but when they deploy it to Heroku, they encounter an H10 error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does the H10 error mean? It indicates that your app crashed on startup. This can often be due to configuration issues, missing environment variables, or even problems in your package.json file. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help prevent these issues in the future. To address the H10 error on Heroku, the user should first check the build process. This can be done by ensuring that the build script in the package.json file is correctly set up. Next, the user should verify that the correct start script is being used. The start script should be set to run the production build of the application. After confirming the scripts, the user should check the environment variables on Heroku. They need to ensure that the node env variable is set to production. Finally, the user should deploy the application again and monitor the logs for any errors. This can be done using the Heroku CLI. Fun fact, did you know that Heroku was originally built to host Ruby applications? Now it supports a wide range of languages, including Node.js and React. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that Heroku does not install dev dependencies by default. To resolve this, you can either configure your React scripts module to always install or disable production mode on Heroku. Here's a pro tip. Always test your app locally with the same environment variables you plan to use on Heroku. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the H10 error and get your React app running smoothly on Heroku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.